Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Leos. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Leos. If you want more clarity, guys, I have a pick a card love reading coming right after this general guidance, so you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Four of Wands, High Priestess, and Four of Pentacles. So in your circumstances today, guys, Leos, maybe in your work situation or relationship, you are someone who has a certain way of doing things. You follow the rules you have diligently, guys, and you hold on to whatever ideals and beliefs, and you go by that no matter what difficulties you may change in following those ideals you have for yourself. And you are someone really responsible, and you are a person who does things out of the way, trying to do things in the right way, and you don't want to do anything wrong from your point of view. So you are putting in lot of efforts, guys, and you are quite a stubborn person, holding on to your way of doing things, and people around you may see you as someone constantly working, trying to do the best in any situation, and you may have a lot of burdens on your shoulders, Leos. You have too much, you are handling too much, maybe too much work, you are making you are taking a lot of efforts in your situation. So maybe in your work you may have a lot of burdens, or in your relationship also. You are doing your best, trying to do the best, or trying to do the right things in this love. And maybe that may be the reason when certain things are not going as expected, like you, maybe the way this person is, their behavior. Something is telling you that they are hiding something. There may be some secrets involved. They have something they are not telling you, and maybe today you are feeling a lot disappointed because of them, because of what they are holding back. Maybe you are honest, you are an honest person, trying to do the things in the right way. That was what we were speaking about, guys. So but they are not like you. They have their own intentions, they have their own plans, and they are holding some information from you. They are someone, maybe your stubbornness to do things in the right way, that may be the reason for some troubles, guys. Maybe they see you as someone obsessed with your way of life. So some kind of obsession, or it may be your possessive nature. It may be yours or this person's. But there are some changes also happening in your relationship, guys. Maybe they may understand your obsession, and they may try to overcome the expectation they have with you. Maybe you are obsessed to do things in the right way. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It's Ten of Swords. So looks like things are going in a difficult way in your relationship, guys. Maybe this obsession may be the reason for things going in a very sad way. Maybe they are disappointed and sad by the way things are going, or maybe it may be your energy, maybe with the secrets they are holding from you. That may be the reason for your sadness or disappointments. They are not willing to tell you what they are thinking or what their intentions are towards you, towards this relationship, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Knight of Swords. So in your career situation, guys, you are making a lot of efforts. You are confident that you will overcome any difficult situation you are facing today. You are working with that determination and strength. So though you are seeing a lot of resistance, competition, opposition in your work, things will fall into place bit by bit, Leos, in your career situation, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Leos, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so for those who chose this card, the first card, let's see what it is. She offers the sacred wine, so drink. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, you may have a lot on your shoulders, a lot of burdens, a lot of things to do, which demands your attention, which demands your work and efforts. But today, the universe or the Holy Spirit or God or whatever you call it, the higher spirit, is coming towards you with a guidance. So it is giving you a sacred wine. It may be a blessing, guys, which you never expected. It may be a blessing that is giving you peace and harmony in your heart of hearts. So maybe you should be able to receive this blessing and be ready to feel drunk with that sacred wine. So what does that mean? It just means that we must let go of all our inhibitions, whatever is holding us back today, and step forward in life wherever life is leading us. Maybe there are some offers or opportunities coming our way. It may not be according to our dream or expectation. It may be something surprising, something coming, and it is also a guidance for us to let go of all the rules and our ideals, whatever we have, and take time off, feel free from whatever is holding us back, maybe even from our day-to-day activities. Maybe we must take a break, feel that silence and bliss in our heart, take time maybe to relax ourselves. So when we do that, we will feel more rejuvenated, detoxed from our day-to-day life. That is what this card is about, guys. So we must put aside the seriousness we have and feel free or feel happy to do whatever we love to do or whatever comes to us. Maybe spontaneously, we may feel like doing something, maybe painting or going out, taking a break from work. So, whatever it is, it's simply going to act as an inspiration today, guys, for us. So, that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the energy. So, let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it is the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you are someone who is really patient and loyal, trustworthy. You are a very reliable person, friendly person, and that may be the reason people love you. And this card stands for friendship. Maybe someone has moved away from you. That person would have been your very close friend, maybe because of some addictive behaviors or something. They have moved away and they have even forgotten this friendship you both shared. But today, just because of the way you are a true friend, a loyal friend, trustworthy friend, and your patience and love towards this person has changed them today, guys. They are coming back to you. So that is what this card is about. So it may be your friend or it may be the person you love. So they are seeing things more clearly today, and they are releasing themselves from the grasp of some addictions. They would have found it really difficult till now, but today they are coming back to you, guys. They want to come back and they are giving up these addictive behavior or some kind of obsession they had. So that is the energy with this card. So you are going back to that enduring bond you both had, that love and friendship you both had. So your love and friendship has triumphed today, guys. It has triumphed over all the obstacles you had, maybe the addictions or some other obstacles it may be, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.